To erase it, push this over. Watch. Bye-bye. Now you can write on it. You have to use you have to go like this. Now you can make it disappear. Bye-bye.
Is that fun, Maslin? What else did you get?
Here, open up another one. Look at that. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Do you think it's candy?
Yeah, I think it is.
What's on the wrapping paper?
I can't do it. Can you help me, Mama?
I'm holding the
Yeah.
camera.
Can you hold it out? Maybe it's another door. Oh my gosh!
What is it?
It's a shark!
What are these guys?
Is that exciting? Can you say thank you, Grandma Linda?
Thank you, Grandma Linda.
That's cool.
Now open the next one.
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, wow!
Wow. It's a real...
Baseball hat! For me.
Lucky you. You need to tighten it up.
That's no.